Finishing off CNC group break number 5558 with the 15-16 Black Diamond and 14-15 the Cup. And we start the Black Diamond with a two-color exquisite rookie patch number to 299 for the Vancouver Canucks, Jake Virtanen. Jake Virtanen. And we've got a base card, number to 199 for the Edmonton Oilers, Wayne Gretzky. We've got a team logo jumbos variation, number 12 of 15 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Paul Coffey. 12 of 15 for the Penguins, Paul Coffey. We've got a rookie signature placards, number to 249 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Noah Hanifin. We've got a rookie gems, number to 399 for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. McJay-Z. Rookie gems out of 399 for the Oilers. And we've got a rookie booklet relics dual jersey number to 299 for the Buffalo Sabres, Jack Eichel. Jack Eichel at a 299 for the Sabres. And now onto the Cup to finish it off. Base card number to 249 for the Colorado Avalanche, Nathan MacKinnon. Oh, pretty. But we'll save that. We've got a one-color 13-14 signature patches, number to 99 for the Boston Bruins, David Krejci. We've got a gold rookie autograph, number 20 of 25 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Stuart Percy. Stuart Percy at 25 for the Leafs. We've got a rookie masterpieces, 1 of 1 black printing plate from Black Diamond for the St. Louis Blues, Jori Lehtera. Rookie masterpieces, 1 of 1 black printing plate for the Blues. We've got a one-color exquisite rookie patch auto, numbered 18 of 67 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Brandon Kozin. And we've got 1, 2. Now this is technically 5-color, but there's a little bit of blue in the corner that I really doubt the camera will pick up, so it'll look like 4-color. But we've got a rookie patch auto, numbered 90 of 99 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Teuvo Teravainen. 90 of 99 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Teuvo Teravainen. Bam. Well, that's, yeah, that'll do. Multi-randoms coming up.